Hi everybody, my name is Danny. And today is a special day where I will be making rice and show you my family's way of making rice. Well, I shouldn't be saying making, but cooking. Typically we purchase Japanese white rice and brown rice because if we only cook white rice, which tastes good, by the way, unfortunately it does not have a lot of nutrition. And so we add brown rice to it to be more healthy and more nutritious for us. Here is the white rice that I will be cooking and the brown rice. Now when we measure the rice, we use this square cup, and it's kind of a throwback to the old style of measuring your rice. There are other measuring cups out there, but we like using this kind of square cup. Make sure that the rice is level with the cup. That's two scoops of brown rice, and now we have white rice. 1, 2, so a total of 4 rice cups. So as you saw, I used 2 cups of brown rice and 2 cups of white rice. You can decide to add 3 cups of brown rice and 1 cup of white rice, or 1 cup of brown rice and 3 cups of white rice. It's up to you. The rice cooker has the measurement for how much water you should add to your cups, and this particular rice cooker has the measurement for both white and brown mixed. I'm going to wash our rice and put it into the rice cooker and select the option for mixed rice and hit start. So now you might be wondering why I washed my rice. Well, sometimes there may be dead bugs in there, or there could be the rice husk that is still in the rice packages, so you want to get rid of all those extra stuff that you don't want. And when you mix the rice, you can see starch. And so I tend to wash my rice 3 to 4 to 5 times and pour out that excess starch and other stuff. I put it into the rice cooker, and I've selected the mixed rice option and clicked start. As you can see, the timer there would be much longer than just cooking only white rice. Typically, cooking only white rice can be 45 to 50 minutes, but when you use brown rice, you will need to increase the cooking time so that the brown rice has time to become more soft. Let's see what it looks like. Alright, so you see I've completed finishing the cooking of rice, and here is my power snack. I'm gonna add peanut butter and furikake. Alright, here's the furikake. There we go. Alright, let's see how this tastes. Well, it's warm, which makes the peanut butter melt because the rice is still hot. So it's nice to get the melted peanut butter and the furikake. The furikake helps add a salty taste to it. So there's a bunch of ingredients, different kinds of seeds, and it makes it taste even a little bit more crunchy. So it's quite delicious. Well, now you know my easy last minute power food for when you're hungry and you don't want to eat a cookie. You want to eat something that's warm. This is really easy to make. And you can make your own kind of snacks. My other favorite thing to add is avocado and cheese on my rice. So, thank you for watching. I hope this helps you see what kind of power snacks I make. Peanut butter, furikake, and rice. Bye-bye.